if you wonder why I always repeating it, because it's such a great way, the great concept that to help all of you, like from beginners or from the veterans, from all of you experts that is being a nail tech for a long time, forever, and love what you do and always want to increase your incomes and like to add it on the services. This is like great because I want you to be able to achieve it successful. So condensed glue gel, a thick density, so just like, you know, at the smaller amounts, unless you're using the 3D crystal, then you probably need a more amount of it. So I'm going to go into with no wipe top coat. And my condensed glue gel is not clear yet, so just in case you was wonder, so I am going to floating the top coat on the top. Thank you so much, Kaja. Can you screenshot this one? Great. So I'm so excited. We are going to do this. Beautiful. There you go. So I place in here so it's easy for you to see. But at the salons, if you're doing your clients, like I usually place like this, but of course we'll consult with the clients before they do, but usually I place with them like that when they go washing their hand. Yeah, this one and this. And I place them really like quick in the station, so then the clients can come back. So then it's either that, or if you have all the everything is in front of you, you can really get it is no problem. And then, you know, I'm telling, I promise, if you're using all of them, you place it together, is you will never go wrong with this. Okay, so I am play that. And you can use a straight bars with a frame, or you can using a curved one, or however you would like. It is up to you. And I have this cute frame right there. I'm so obsessed with this as well. I might move it just a little bit down to get it more space for that. Or also, if you don't want to get all the frame and the bars right next to the crystal, you can place them a little bit, space them out. Like, why just move it down? I just move it here, so then it gets a little bit more space for my other frame. I can't wait to see all your creations, and just remember to tag us or hashtag us, so then we can get an opportunity to feature your beautiful works. Place this right there. Frame, and then you can do any colors. It doesn't have to be yellow. I just playing it there, so then you get an ideas of any colors. You can put red on it. You can put anything, purple. I just want a theme because it's underneath. It was a really cute unicorns glitter from our 30,000 follower the 30,000 followers anniversary, whatever is. You're gonna see that in the section of dramatic glitter, I think. You're not using that. I can't wait to do it more. Great. So if you're happy with this, or if you want to add more beads on, you can add some beads on if you prefer. If not, I think it looks good because all the gap like this, we can fill it in with the precision glue. It's so all that frames and the crystal down like in one place. This is really all the kits that have the shape that you needed it into your anniversary kits. I'm so obsessed with this because even for all of you just looking for something that just start with the crystal placement, you get everything in that kit. We did it for you. Special made it for you. And thank you to every single of you for the love and support for past over 2 years. We are trying our best to always bring the best into your station, so make you feel really proud of what you're doing, because we're proud of you as well. And I bet that your clients are so proud of you. So if you're happy with this design, you want to key it for 60 seconds first. And I'm going to precision glue to double secure all of that, crystals and frames. And I'm so excited with this too, because we have a lot of overwhelming with a lot of questions for what should you using for a beginner crystal placement if you are by chance to tuning in with live videos. There are so many, so many products, could be overwhelming all of you. And I want to show you with one of Trifecta, which is like, say for instance, I would do it the same thing with a lot of my students and a lot of my nail tech school friends are asking for it. And if you have some of your crystals, like if you have a different type of crystal you have and you want something to be really good. Hey Danielle, is Abby, if you already have it and then you want something, the good tool to place your crystal on, that's what you want to look at. It is this is my hand touching, is Trifectas. Is come with condensed glue gel, full size, a biggest size, no white top coat, precision glue, and then you also get one crystal jar. Mix it like this mix. If it's for you, for beginner, if you want something it's like this, and you have some others like crystal other tools, so this is a great, such as that I would give it to you if you have to pick one item from a Glitz accessory and such to try with your crystal placement successful. Or for all of the beginners who haven't get any crystals, any tool yet, so I would suggest in anniversary kit. The kits will made it special for you. Over $350 worth of all the products is in the kits, and the special promotion, special spring sale for anniversary for you for just only $149.99. So this is special thanks from us to every single of you for past 2 years. We made it just for you. So if you are like looking for something that you're doing placements at, and then it comes really nice displays case, which is a good case that you put it in your station, so you'll be proud every time you pull your kits out. You see you're so freaking professional. Your clients will look at you like, oh my gosh, you know what she's doing. And really, we're here to support you all the time. So make sure that every single design, every single shape, you know what you can do with. And we know that you create so many different ways. This is only one of the designs that we're sharing it, but we're going to continue to support and share all the different cool designs from that for you. So now, thank you so much, Maya. So now I'm going to using my precision glue. This is really my best friend. Like my clients now that I got an opportunity to seeing the client, they are like even remind me like, Nancy, did you put the precision glue on it? I say, oh, okay, yes, I do, you know, but like you were going to do, but they already remind you first. Because they know the routine, they know that it's not gonna catching like in their hair and their clothes, or like if they're busy with the lifestyle and like the family, take care of family, cooking, cleaning. So it's just the last thing they have to worry about is getting their crystal to be, you know, catching, or the frames and charm to catching on their hair or anything else, because they want to still be, you know, doing what they're doing, but still able to wearing beautiful nails and crystals. So we want to make it really easy for your clients, and also it's easy for all of you. So I fuse all the cracks. Usually I don't squeeze them out. I using just the needles, and I check every single edges first. And I feel like here, right here, I feel scratchy right there, and I feel scratchy right here. Then I squeeze just a little bit in, and a little Precision glue gels go a long way. So if you need more, you absolutely can just use it more, or you can do a flash cure for 30 seconds and you go back and then you apply it again. So then some of them, like with this ones in the 3D or like the bars, this bars right there, this frame right here, sometimes it's like a bigger, and you, if you're feeling it's still scratchy there, you keep it for 30 seconds and then you go back and then you apply it again, and make sure you just using the light brush and blend it out, so then it looks nice and flawless. All right, so I am going to keep it for 60 seconds, and this now will be completely done. Hope you really